There he is. This is Joey. It's Joey the hummingbird. He just kind of hangs out, guards his stash. It's down here. It's his stash. Like, what's going on in the neighborhood? Who's coming around here? I'm sitting here. This is mine. It's got a little fat. Yeah. Kind of cool, though. See if I can get closer. Oh. He kind of looks at me, too. There he is. Who's coming near my stash? This is mine. All mine. I'm kicking it here. I'm kicking it here. Yeah. All right. Well, that's it. This is Joey the hummingbird. He kind of just hangs out. Gets in little fights. It's cool.